Hi guys, and welcome back to Time with Moditime Kgole. If you're a return subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to you too. While we're here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notification every single time I post a video, and follow my socials. Let's be friends on social media. So as you guys can see by the title of today's video, I'm going to be celebrating reaching 2,000 subscribers, and I'm going to be taking you guys with me. I didn't do something extravagant because I just felt like I was putting pressure on doing something extravagant, like going somewhere, trying something new. But I just decided to do something very sweet and simple, and things that make me happy, like going to get ice cream and also getting myself a gift and going to the beach. And I'm going to be tagging you guys along with me, and I also have exciting news to share at the end of the video. Please do stay tuned until the end so that you guys can know what the exciting news that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is. I'm really excited for it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. So yeah, we are on 2,000 subscribers, and this vlog I'm going to be celebrating me reaching 2,000 subscribers. And this is not the day I'm going to be celebrating me reaching the 2,000 subscribers. I reached 2,000 subscribers last week, Monday. Today's the second. Last week, Monday. What day is it today? Oh, I thought that we're in a whole new week because of the month. I reached 2,000 subscribers this week, Monday, and I'm going to be and I got myself a gift, because one thing about me, I will gift myself something. I will gift myself for all my wins. And I got myself a little gift because this is a gift I've been wanting to get and nobody was going to buy it for me. So I was like, let me just buy it for myself, because it's a gift that I really want and a gift that, like, you know. So I'm going to be reaching to their subscribers. Guys, I just want to say thank you so much for each and every single one of you guys. This time I am going to be celebrating reaching 2,000 subscribers, but I just want to say thank you so much to each and every single one of you guys that watch my videos every single week, that like, comment, share, subscribe, that like, guys, thank you so much for all your love. You guys are so supportive. You guys are just so loving. All the sweet messages that you guys send to me, they do not go unnoticed. I'm just so truly highly blessed and favored to have such a good group and people behind me on this path and journey, and people that are cheering me on. I don't even know what to call us. Is it early for me to, like, for us to have a name like Timers? But Timers is old people, like, it's dads, you know. But guys, thank you so much. Like, I just feel so overwhelmed and overcome by so many emotions, because I wouldn't have thought that I'd be able to reach 2,000 subscribers, because it took me so long to just even get my letter of monetization, even just being able to reach 2,000 subscribers. And I'm just so truly blessed that you guys have been following me on this path and journey. I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna be unboxing the gifts that I got. Let me put it like this. I got something from Amazon. I'm excited to do. I need to leave the house soon, but I'm gonna use this pen to open up the thing. Guys, I'm so excited. This is a gift from me to me, because one thing about me, I will gift myself something. Are you guys ready to see this? I don't think I'm ready to see this. Guys, I finally got myself Instax camera. I got myself finally the Instax camera. I didn't want to get the normal rectangle one because I always wanted the square one, and I waited for the prices to go down. Last year on Black Friday, didn't go down. Waited for the prices on Christmas, didn't go down. And I was like, you know what? I could tell my mom, like, if it's not gonna go down, then it's chai. I'm just gonna have to get it. So here it is. And then this is the foam, because I have to buy foam separately. The foam is cheaper on Target. So there is that. Here's the foam. I got 2 packs of 20. So no, 2 packs of 10. I don't know if it comes with foam. I watched reviews and didn't see it coming with foam. So there is that. I got it in like a light brown color. It's called Chalk White. Let's open it. I haven't done an unboxing video in such a long time, but I wonder what this is. I think this is like a grip thing for it. This piece over here, I think that's a grip thing. I'm so hungry and I'm running late. Oh, there's even like, oh, here are the batteries. So in the box it comes with the battery, and then it comes with the little thing to hold the camera, the strap. I don't know what it's called, the strap. What do we call it? And then here she is. Here's the camera. Here she is. Eee! I can't believe I actually finally have one. Ah, guys, my goodness, she is quite heavy. How cute! I mean, I'm screaming. And then what else is inside this box? Well done, Moditime, from you to me. These are like the instructions on how to use it. So I got the Instax SQ1, the one that's going to be taking pictures in square, or it tells you all the directions on how to use it, and how to put the film inside, etc, etc, which is quite exciting. Guys, I'm so excited to actually take pictures with it. I am really excited to start. Why did I get one battery pack? Wasn't I supposed to get like 2 or something? Because I'm seeing 1 battery, but then there's like 2. What if they rubbered me batteries? Let me actually read the instructions to figure out what's going on over here. I think there's like 2 batteries. I only have 1. Does this mean that I have to return it? That's great. I think I'll have to return it because I only got 1 battery and I'm supposed to be getting 2. Oh, I actually got 2. Oh, and then this is where you think you put the strap on thing. So you put the strap. Let me look at the instructions. I'm too excited that I'm not even bothered about like looking at the instructions. Oh, that's how you open it. You fun. And then you just, how cute. Guys, isn't she lovely? And then you just, oh, there's nothing to develop, but like, that's fun. That's how it works. My new little baby, I'm so excited to start using her. This is quite exciting. I hope that you guys have a lovely day further, and I'll see you guys when this vlog continues. We're going to the beach. I need to go to Target to return what I need to return, and then I'm gonna be going to to a beach because I forgot a beach blanket because the Japanese tea garden is going to be closed by the time that I get there. So I just decided that I'm just going to go to a beach instead because I'm really my happiest at a beach. And then I'm going to go get ice cream because I love eating ice cream. And I haven't had, like, this is going to be my 2nd time eating ice cream because during Lent I gave up ice cream. So this is going to be my 2nd time eating ice cream because I had ice cream the other day with my friend. So there is that. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking it with me because, as I said, I'm my happiest at the beach, and I honestly feel like I'll be at peace. So yeah. Waiting on the next bus. This is the 3rd bus that I'm gonna be going to. I was only supposed to go on 2 buses, but I decided to read on the bus and then it missed my stop, and now I just have to wait for the next bus to come so that I'm able to get to Bake Beach. I did finally celebrate reaching 2,000 subscribers, which is quite exciting. And I also just wanted to say before I even carry on, so 2 months ago I recorded something and it's about time that I actually just posted and put it out there because I was like, there's literally no point in me holding on and hogging on to something that I know that I want to post because I want to try something new. I want to try something new, and this is the new thing that I'm going to be trying. I am gonna be starting and uploading my very first episode of my podcast. I'm gonna be uploading it this Friday. So guys, I have started a podcast, and the name of my podcast is On the Mantle. And the reason why I started this podcast is because I want to just talk about things that I wouldn't talk about on my YouTube channel. And I feel like a podcast is so much better because I don't have to edit, I don't have to really think about what I'm saying, I don't have to worry about how I look. I'm just able to just start recording, and I want to start and embark on this new journey of podcasting. So as I said, I am going to be uploading the very first episode of my podcast on Friday, and it's going to be on Spotify and on Apple Podcasts. I'm going to be leaving the link down below. And as I said, the name of my podcast is On the Mantle with me, Moditime Kgole I. I'm really excited to embark on this new path and journey. As I said, I recorded this podcast 2 months ago, so the things that I might be saying are going to be quite old, but then I haven't had the time to actually record a new episode because I was like, since I haven't uploaded the very first one, I can't be uploading a second episode, which is quite exciting. I honestly hope that you guys are gonna love it. I'm excited because this is like a new path and a new journey and something new that I'm gonna be knocking on, because I was like, I just need to seize, opportunity and not be scared or afraid of trying new things. And this is something new that I'm gonna be trying. I honestly hope that you guys are gonna love and enjoy it. I'm excited for this new podcast journey. I hope that you guys are gonna love the podcast. As I said, the link is gonna be down below and you'll be able to find it on Spotify and Apple Podcasts. So that you guys enjoy the podcast. Don't forget to share the podcast with your friends, your family, and anybody who you know that could have related to what I went through. I can't believe that I'm actually making a video telling you guys that I'm starting a podcast. Oh my goodness, because I've really wanted to start one since the beginning of the year, and I was like, this just feels like the right time for me to just post and upload about it. So yeah, I just hope that you guys are gonna enjoy it, and I will see you guys on Friday when I upload the very first episode of my podcast. Crazy! So yeah, guys, I will see you guys then. Thank you so much if you made it this far in the video, and I will see you guys in the next vlog.